Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can create a graphic eyeliner in just few simple steps, which is super easy for beginners as well. The eyeliner I'm using today is from the Sheglam's waterproof liquid eyeliner. It is a dip eyeliner, so if you are a beginner I would suggest you to use a dip liner rather than a brush eyeliner because it is more easier to use. First, we are going to start by creating a wing liner. We are going to create a outer line of the wing. Just make sure the line is nice and straight, and if you are not used to making a straight line and it usually gets messed up towards the video, I will tell you how you can clean the edge of your wing. Now from the outer point of the wing, I'm going to connect it towards the middle of my lash line. Just a straight line dragging towards your middle of the lash line. Now I'm just going to be filling the spaces in between. Now from my inner corner, I'm going to drag a line and connect it to the wing, just like that, and then fill up the spaces as well. Make sure that there is no space left. Even in the water line, you just use the tip and fill up the spaces so that it looks nice, black, bold. I am just filling up all the spaces well. Now we are done with the wing eyeliner part. It was so easy to do this. Now towards the tricky part is the top line of the graphic eyeliner part. I'm going to be dragging a line from the outer point of the wing towards my crease, which is the area just above where my crease is getting cut, just right there. So I'm going to be connecting it slowly, just like that. It may get messed up just like I did right now. I will be showing you how you can clean the edges and make it look more perfect. You can use either of these brushes, a thin precise liner brush or a flat brush. Using a concealer, I'm going to be cleaning out the edges. Here you can see I messed up a little, so just using a liner brush or a flat brush, I'm gonna be using both to show you. Just dipped a little concealer in the brush and just slowly clearing out all the harsh edges, just like that. Quickly going to be redoing it above the line and just thickening it up a little. Take your time to do this part as this line goes just above the cut of your crease and it has a higher chance of getting messed up, but this concealer trick will really help you clearing out the edges and make it look perfect. As I told you earlier that if your wing line is not straight enough, you can even use this trick for your wing line to be straight, using the concealer on a flat brush and just going through the line a little. And that's how the graphic eyeliner is done. I'm really happy with how it has turned out. Next, for the mascara, I'm using the Huda Beauty's Legit Lashes and going through my lash. Added some false lashes above and using a highlighter to pop my inner corner. And this is the final look of the graphic eyeliner. I hope you enjoyed this easy tutorial. Even if you are a beginner, please follow these steps and you will really perfect in doing your graphic eyeliner every day. I hope you liked this step-by-step tutorial. If yes, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials. Until next time, bye.